Let's reset your Instagram feed. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. The first thing we'll do is tap on the search bar. And within the search, we need to make sure we've deleted all of these. So with your recent searches, just tap on clear all. After you've cleared that up, the next thing we will do is go to your Reels. The Reels are suggested to you based on what you have viewed in the past and what it thinks you want to see. However, you can choose to reset that. Just go into the Reels and tap on the gear icon at the top right. You can see what you want to see more of. On any of these, if you don't like those, all you need to do is just tap on it and hit remove interest here, and then it will remove it. You can also see what you want to see less of, and you can just type in something that you want to see less of. Essentially, you can go through and remove all of these. However, there's a more straightforward way to remove this and reset your entire Explore page, that little search page, in addition to Reels. To do that, we're going to tap on those three dots and choose your content preferences. Now, a new feature is reset suggested content. You can see you want a fresh start. All I need to do is hit next and then reset suggested content. Now, all of the content for my Reels and my content for my Explore page will be completely reset.